Hey guys, Super Sniper 7 here, and today I'm here to make a quick announcement. So, I'm having kind of a bad cough recently, so I might not be uploading very much. Yeah, as I was saying, I might not be uploading very much over the next few days. Yeah. So I might not be recording for the next few days very much. Maybe 1 or 2 videos, but other than that, that's probably it. So yeah, I guess there's really nothing else to say. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.